Well, we're waiting.
Quickie! It is kind of going quickly as the ginger hibiscus daiquiri. I couldn't think of shit, Bonnie. I'm sorry. I really tried to come up with a funny intro for this, but I'm running out of puns, man. I can't find a way to put the word quickie into shit. This is the cocktail that was included in the daiquiri competition I just competed in by Bonnie from Cocktail Underground, the ginger hibiscus daiquiri riff, and it's absolutely fantastic sounding. Let's go ahead and make one and talk about the ingredients. For this cocktail, you will need an aged rum, a white rum, velvet falernum, lime juice, and both hibiscus and ginger syrup. Now, Bonnie garnished hers with a really cool ginger-scented bubble of smoke. Do I look like I'm that kind of fancy? I don't have that, but I do have some gold powder. So we're gonna garnish this with the cherry and some gold powder, and you'll need some simple syrup to make that happen. Let's go ahead and make it. All right, let's go. To begin, we have to prep our glass with our garnish. Take some of your simple syrup and just spread that out over a flat plane that you can put your glass into. Then grab an appropriately sized glass out of your freezer. I'm using martini glass today just to diversify what kind of glassware I'm using. And we're gonna roll that just gently and briefly in the simple syrup. Give that a little, wave to get all the excess off. And then over that, we're gonna take our gold powder and just sprinkle onto that a rim. Give that a good hearty flick and a wave to get all the excess off. And that will go back in our freezer. And we'll set aside this plate that has been forever tainted with glitter herpes and get to making our cocktail. Let's go ahead and shake it up. I'm gonna start this off with just a 1/4 ounce of our ginger syrup. We'll come behind that with a 1/4 ounce of our hibiscus syrup. Next up, we're gonna hit this with 1/2 ounce of velvet falernum. Come behind that with 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we'll hit that with our rums. 1 ounce of a white rum and 1 ounce of an aged rum. That's all of our ingredients. Let's go ahead and grab some ice. We're gonna cap that up, tap that down, and then shake for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and combine. Behave. Once that's done, we'll grab our ornate martini glass with the gold rim on it out of our freezer, and then we'll double strain our cocktail into that glass. Finish off our garnish. I'm gonna grab our cherries here. Spear one of those onto a cocktail pick and rest that somewhere in the middle-ish of the glass. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the ginger hibiscus daiquiri. Cheers. Go ahead and give that a taste, drop that cherry in, and say cheers. Ooh. Oh. That's an angle I was not expecting this to have. That's fun. The blend of rums provides both like a crisp white rum flavor and also a good amount of aged funk. I think specifically because I'm using a Jamaican rum here for this. That in combination with the velvet falernum and the gingers making for like a really tiki-esque flavor with a fun, like bright hibiscus tinge to it, which is something you'd I don't think ever fucking see, which is awesome. This is a fantastic cocktail and is something I'll probably keep making because I've got to get a lot of hibiscus syrup out of my fridge now. Thanks for watching. See you around.